everyone, I am going to show you how to do a very quick hairstyle. So all I did was I curled my hair very quick, very simple weave on my hair with my curling iron, and now I'm going to show you how to bump up the top a little bit. So I want to wear my hair down. I just want to just do a nice cute little poof to the top here. So you just need a comb, and you can make your section from the arch of your eyebrows. So you're going to work this way, and then you're going to work across like this. So this is what you should look like, something like that. You're just going to take small sections from here and back comb. Then you're going to take another section like this and back comb, just gently. And you're going to do that all the way to the front. Again, like that. So this is what you should look like. And then you just want to take your time and get the top nice and smooth. You can use your spray to take care of those little fine, unruly, miserable flyaways at the front. So once you have your poof nice and neat, you could either, if it's too high, what you can do is pull your hands down like this, and this will flatten it. Or if you want it higher, you can push your hands up like that. Right? So I want mine a little lower. Maybe right there, and I can see that there are places like spots that are not even, so you can just take the back of your comb and just gently lift. I'm going to take my bobby pin now and secure it, slide it this way, and then you want to slide the other one in the opposite direction this way. Want to go ahead and neaten up the top. And definitely these little flyaways giving me some trouble. They just don't want to go down. There we go. That's it. And of course, if you want to do some tighter curls, you can do that if you want to. Or you can just leave it very soft. There we go. Very simple, quick hairstyle. Bye guys!